Hello guys, how are they? How are we all doing? So we're back again with S&P 500. This is FS Logic over here. So we want to see what this pair is doing right now. So here we go. Let's understand what this pair is doing. So what could we see here? This is a monthly time frame. As you all know, okay, from here, high, high, low, higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low, higher high, right? So we have an established uptrend here, very clear on the monthly time frame, right? We have an established uptrend on the monthly time frame. So what I'm going to do with this information going further? Okay, I'm going to look at it total analysis down to the weekly. Alright? So we're at the weekly time frame right now. What could we see here? So this is the monthly structure. So the weekly time frame, we have something like this. We can see this, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low. Let's go here. Higher high, higher low, right? Equal high, equal low. So don't forget, when we have equal highs, equal low, it means that the market is in what we call a range. So from the weekly time frame, we are seeing a range here at this point. All right, we are seeing a range at this point. Okay, so we look at the daily. What can we find? What can we find on the daily? What can we find? Yeah, let me have this guy here first. So the daily. Okay, let's leave that guy. Otherwise, just won't keep hiding. I'm not gonna find him. Alright, so on the daily time frame, what can we see here? What is our chart telling us? What is it telling us? Okay, let's take this out. So what can we see here? We have a range here. Okay. So our weekly is bullish. Our monthly is what? Bullish. Weekly bullish. Daily, we're in a range. Okay. So price is going to do two things here. Price will either retrace, alright, or maybe even break through, or price will find its way in continuity with the weekly and the monthly. Price must do one of this. So again, structure will guide us. You see, when it comes to forex trading, you need psychology of patience. Your psychology needs to be so good that you trust your entries. Okay, I've spotted my structure. What is telling me? Are we buying? Are we selling? Should we there for buy? Are we there for sell? Okay, we're not seeing a buy for monthly. We're not seeing a buy also for weekly. But for daily now, we're for range. So what are we going to do? We can go on smaller time frames and look for range. We can go on smaller time frames and look for structure in smaller time frames. Then we can use it to follow up either the monthly and weekly, or probably a possible new downtrend. Because right now we are in a range market here, according to the monthly time frame, according to the daily time frame, according to the weekly time frame. So but on the daily time frame here, we are just seeing a high here, a low, an equal high, and a low. Okay, the last known structure was down here. Okay, we had this high, we had this low here, we have a higher high, and now price is back down here. So but from the weekly, we have a range here. But let's see, are we making a mistake? Let's see. Okay, yeah, we're correct now. So yeah, so look at the candle close here. Sorry, so we have an uptrend, all right. So we're not in a range on the weekly. We're still in an uptrend. See. We'll have a high here. We'll have a higher low. We have a higher high. This candle, okay, close above. Then price found its way. Okay, price found its way down here. So we are still bullish because price has not taken out this low of the weekly. So when we go to the daily time frame, what can we do with this information? Daily time frame will have little or nothing here. So we can go through smaller time frames and decipher the further entries and stop loss, and that's what it is. So the same thing again. See, once you understand the market, you see, I'm not speaking about support and resistance or any other thing. I'm just consistent with market structure. Listen, once you can read the market structure, you understand what price wants to do. You never get confused. Do you understand? Market structure is the way of the markets. So right now, weekly, when an uptrend is still bullish because it is not taken out. However, on the daily time frame, we're having lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, high, higher high, higher low, higher high. So on the daily time frame, we're having something like this. Let's take out this weekly. So I have something like this. So we have higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. So we have something like this. So this is a range for me on the daily time frame. I'm seeing this. Okay. And I'm seeing this. I'm gonna take this. Because now prices from here, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, then higher high. Alright, so let's do this. Let's take this. So let's take this, right? Yeah. So this is a high, higher high. So this is your higher low. Okay. Wow, serious analysis on XPX. Right? Then we have price has broken the structure right now. So now we're expecting price to come down. We're expecting price to come down. Alright. Or to continue back to the upside. Again, there is no confusion. So what do? We are looking for what? Structure. Structure will deliver price for us down or lead us to the upside. Now, in mentorship, I explain all of this. I explain all of these concepts. Your entries, your SL, your take profit, your targets, then your psychology, your weighting. Because whether I like it or not, there is some weighting to do in foreign exchange. So once you've done your analysis correctly, you've read your structures correctly, and you take your entry, you've placed your SLs, you want to just relax. Price is going to do two things. Price is either going to hit your stop loss to prove you wrong, or hit your TP. Sometimes you might have to do break-evens. Sometimes you might want to do your daily entry. If you're trading with, if you're a day trader, if you want to do 1:1, 1:2, okay. If you're an intraday, probably few days, 1 to 3 swing, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 position, 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7. Okay, depending on how you want to understand, depending on how you understand your systems. Alright? So market structure is going to let you know whether we're going down, because we can be in the downtrend, alright? We can be in an uptrend from the monthly, and price want to do a retracement probably for days, like probably from here down to this point. Yes, price can want to do it. Price can want to retrace from here down to here before it decides to buy. Before it decides to buy. Do you understand? What am I doing here? Price can decide to sell for a while before doing this. Do you understand? Price can want to do this. So this selling could take days. Yes, we're on an uptrend from the monthly. The price could just want to do this. So if you're just the trader who is saying the trend is up, we just have to look for buys. Come on, man. Look at it. Your buys are not buying. Because this guy wants to sell. So structure is just always going to give us the guide to know. So when this selling is on, when the buys wants to resume, the structure is going to tell you, okay, we are done with the selling, let's go for the buys. See, everything about the market is about structure. Do you understand? So once again, watch the structure video. I think that's the first video I posted on the channel. So this is my time. Watch it, understand it, like, share, comment, follow, subscribe. Okay, I want to see your comments in the session. So I want to see your comments in the comment section so I could respond, I could read it and probably do some analysis on your thoughts. Okay, so that's my time here. FX Logic. We're working on the second video, hopefully. Let's go.